This is the first job link that we have, which is in Bangalore. So they want SOC analyst, 2 to 3 years of experience. This is a rotational shift, and company is GBC's Consulting Services Limited. So you should have hands-on experience on SIEM, EDR, IDS, IPS, and packet analysis. CEH will be a plus point. Okay, QRadar, Splunk, CrowdStrike knowledge is compulsory. And this is mail ID, nabyasri.m uh, zybis, zybisis.com, right, on which you can apply, right? Drop your resume, let me know what you feel like. Next one is, if you want to be a cybersecurity intern, this is for you. One at fncyber.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume. Next one, this is for the L1 opening in the Cognizant, sorry. And this email ID david.livingtunj at cognizant.com, and it's kind of SOC, I guess. Okay, this is 24 into 7, right? Because SOC wala hi hota 24 into 7. Now next one is cybersecurity project manager for Dubai UAE. You need to manage at least 3 projects who can handle at the same time. GRCMS knowledge is important. Result.m at paramountazure.com. Next one is cybersecurity L1, L2. Company name is Sai Cyber Defense, right? This is contact number on which you can call. भाई this is best thing you can have, right? इस पे तुम कॉल कर सकते हो, ठीक है, and you can apply, right? So let me know if you got selected or something. Cyber security talent L1, L2, L3 Abu Dhabi, 30 days acceptance. Recruiting at cyberget.tech is the mail on which you need to drop your resume, right? I don't know where I'm sitting, right? Yes, perfect frame. Yeah. Now the next one is cybersecurity engineer L1. Okay, rohini.am at htfox.com is the mail. Next one, cybercrime investigator, advocate, cyber and IPR, VAPT analyst, experienced trainer, minimum 1 year of experience required. This is the contact number. Call करके पूछो भाई. This is the mail ID hr@dtfservices.com, and इस पे रिसीव भेजो. If you get selected, you will get a mail. IT recruiter, freshers road, Bangalore, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. 0 to 1 years of experience required. Great communication skills and all those things. Tanya.nanda@rtech.com. Oh my God. So this is for the freshers, Hyderabad. Oh, they want freshers 0 to 1 years of experience. Okay, cybersecurity engineer is the role. Second is qualification is all these things required. MCA, CEH, OSCP will be a plus point. Job description, this is what you need to do. There are a couple of requirements. Just pause this video and watch everything. Mail is info@blisshera.com, right, on which you can apply. This is what they are going to offer you. That's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please drop in the chat box. I'll answer your questions when I. Yes, this is what we have. I guess no questions. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.